User experience or UX shapes how people feel when they interact with your product. Great UX can increase engagement, boost conversions, and build lasting trust. Without strong UX, even the best features may go unused. Following proven UX principles helps simplify design and delight users. That's why understanding these laws is essential for every designer and product owner. Welcome to our channel, Picnexs, the Art of Visual Impact. Let's dive into the essential UX laws that make products work smarter and feel better.
Hick's Law, less is more. Hick's Law teaches us that the more choices you offer, the longer it takes for users to decide. To improve usability, reduce the number of visible actions, especially on critical screens like signups or checkouts. Fitz's Law, size and distance matter. Fitz's Law tells us that bigger and closer elements are easier to click. Designers should ensure that buttons, especially primary actions, are large enough and positioned within easy reach, particularly on mobile devices. Jakob's Law, familiarity feels right. Jakob's Law reminds us that users prefer interfaces that feel familiar. Stick to common design patterns and UI conventions like menu icons, cart symbols, or navigation placements to make users feel instantly at home. Miller's Law, keep it chunked. Miller's Law suggests that people can only hold 5 to 9 items in their working memory. Break your content into chunks, ideally 7 or fewer elements, to reduce cognitive load and improve readability. Thanks for exploring these powerful UX laws with us. At Picnexs, we believe that understanding user psychology is the first step to creating intuitive, effective, and delightful designs. Follow us for more design tips.